make this moment even more special, we invite Dr. Sayan Datta Gupta, Dr. Chio Lopan, and Dr. Sayan's beloved wife Ishita and daughter Isha to join us on the stage for this milestone. Ishita and Isha would join. And ladies and gentlemen, let's count down together as we unveil the Hilara's groundbreaking products. So 3, 2, and 1. So the moment has arrived, introducing the Hilara's Core Lift Foaming Ampule and Hilara's Core Lift Brightening Fluid. 2 products that capture the ocean's vitality and deliver visible transformative results. Ladies and gentlemen, this unveiling is a testament to the dedication, vision, and love that have made Hilara possible. Let's celebrate this incredible moment with a big round of applause for our visionaries, their families, and the future of skincare.
You can introduce us.
This is a Hirara product, means healing power from marine resources. So we can prepare several years, then we can finally launch in India. So customers in India, please enjoy this product. Okay.
Sir, why you chose Indian market for this brand?
Sorry?
Why you chose Indian market for this brand?
That's because I think a big market in India and also emerging market. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
You say something?
Yeah, so I'm Dr. Sayan and who is the official importer for the product of Hilara which we launched. And I worked in Dr. Pan's lab as a visiting scientist for 4.5 years. So I know how it works, how dedicated we are for research. And these fucoxanthin and microalgal containing products you will only get in only these products you won't get in any cosmetics in India. Either you import from Korea or anywhere. It's only in 1 or 2 companies in the world are doing, and they are one among them. So it's a totally an exclusive product, and the price you will get the best of the quality. Yes.
How will you gather feedback from customers?
Yeah, we will. Yeah, customers. We have a Hilara India, Hilara_India web Insta page already, so you can obviously give the feedback anytime there. And then we have a Facebook page. We are planning to we launch soon. These are the 2 things we get, and yeah, yes.
How does the launch of Hilara align with the company's overall mission and vision?
Yeah. So our company's mission and vision is not simple importing. Since I worked in such a great lab with such a great person, yeah. So it's the best institute, research institute of Korea, and he is, you don't know, he's such a big person there. To get him, honestly, I know. So his words goes in the whole National Research Foundation of Korea, NRF. So we don't bring normal product like collagen, ascorbic acid or something unique product. Our motto is to bring which is not there in Indian market. For example, microalga fucoxanthin. So that will be always our motto. Like for example, and it's not to cosmetic. Second is fucoxanthin in fatty liver. So that will be a game changing. If, so again, it will be first time in India or first time in the world. So we want to. Our motto is to bring unique product, which is not there still.
Say something, few words from through our channels for the
About
viewers
these products
about these products.
and why people buy these products.
Yeah, because this product you won't get in anywhere. This constituent fucoxanthin, you may get brightening fluid, but our brightening fluid is contain microalga. So microalgal product you will only get in our channel. And second is brightening, and it's a moisturizing also, and it clears the dark spots also, has been clinically proven. And coming to the anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, that is also fucoxanthin, what I was saying, isolated from microalga, a patented technology. So this also you won't get in India. Means if you want from other parts of the world also you may not. It's just 1 or 2 companies. There, as far as you know, there are 2 companies. We are the first one. So it's completely exclusive, and this exclusive product you won't get. The use may be same. Many brightening fluids are there, but it won't cause side effect, as I said, because it is as anti-inflammatory. It cures the anti-itching and all. So this type of exclusive, and it's not a chemical. It's from ocean. It's a game we have, as Dr. Pan said, we have from plants, but it is from ocean. So that is the game-changing thing here, and we want to introduce game-changing products.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
For kids, especially in my research center, focused on the development of functional materials from natural resources. And many researchers use plant for the development of functional materials. But it's hard to produce large amount of plant, except crop and vegetables we already eat. So, but in case of microbiology, we set up the cultivation system. We can change different microbiology. Yeah, so we can easily scale up and adapt several different microbiology. So I focused on microbiology to develop natural.
We would also like to see what Isha has made for you, Dr. Pan.